Oh, and I got my curtains.
What curtains?
For my bathroom.
You don't like them?
They're velvet.
They're velvet?
They're velvet.
Well, what color are they?
They're gray.
But they're velvet? Do
They're
they look velvet?
Oh, yeah.
Bring them to me. I'm going to help them. Okay.
Now, see, he didn't want me to do that. I'm going to wait till she gets
he
here.
knows I do it better than you.
Okay.
He knows you're the pro.
Now we got one more.
That's all.
It
I mean,
is.
I don't hate them, do you?
Well, no, but...
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you feed it up.
Okay, so right now we're putting the shower doors on, and the shower doors are made for like this size or bigger, so the track's long and you have to cut it. So he's out there cutting that right now. I'm gonna sand this down in just a little bit and get that painted. I still need to get some trim to go around these mirrors. It's only a shower option she had that she could go with that fit, and she just wanted it done. So that's what she went with. You guys were right, these were in backwards. So my aunt read your comments on the video, and she said that they came in here and she was like, they were backwards. She was like, that's so neat that they can tell us and help us, you know. So that's the cool thing about doing daily vlogs, is that if y'all see something, you can, you know, point it out and help us. But these lights are upside down, and the reason being, she loved them, okay? She loved these lights. But they were gonna be right on top of this cabinet. They didn't have enough wire to move this, and it would have been a whole process to change it out. So she really wanted to keep the lights. So we flipped them upside down, and they loved them. So that's how they're gonna be. That's how they liked them, so that's good. But yeah, we are just putting the shower doors up and getting started on that.
South Pole, you see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost there, but I keep.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 4. We started out in this master bathroom and we are almost done. As a matter of fact, I think tomorrow we'll probably wrap it up. I've got to touch up a few places on these walls with paint and finish this floor, and then I have bought some decor to kind of decorate this bathroom for her, so gonna do that and this will be done. When my uncle's been working in this bathroom and I'm kind of in his way, we've been working on the kitchen floor while he's doing the things that he doesn't really need our help with or whatever. So I included some of that. So we have kind of jumped to the kitchen, but I have so much to do in there, and then she wants her living room done, the other bathroom done, and I think he's actually going to start tearing that apart tomorrow. So yeah, we've got our hands full. We've got so much to do, but it's so much fun. I left a few little things in. I know you guys say that I have so much patience and all that stuff, so not really. I mean, I enjoy doing it and I do love doing it, but I'm human and I get aggravated too. Seems like some days I can kill it, and some days everything I touch falls apart, and those days aren't fun, and today was kind of one of those days. But I am just going to voice over a part or two because I did leave some of us talking in. We got home late tonight, so I did speed a lot of this up just so that I didn't have to voice over and edit so much, but I still wanted you guys to be in real time with us and to see what we did today. I feel like we got quite a bit done. I'm loving the shower doors. I think you guys are going to like those too. This bathroom's came a long ways, and I don't really realize it until I look back on pictures or on videos in the beginning. But I'm so excited to be done with this bathroom and finally move on to the rest of the house, because I think it's going to be so pretty. It's going to give you all some motivation. We definitely aren't a family that has a lot of money. We pay our bills and are blessed to have what we do, but we don't live in fancy homes and we don't have the nicest, best things, and that's okay. That's not what life's about. Life is not about things. Life is about moments and people that mean so much to you and the little things. We like to focus on the little things. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy and get some motivation out of what we got done today.
I saw ya, you were not like the others. a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
Is it a shower yet?
Not yet.
Almost.
Yeah, it's getting closer.
I'll say it again now that I hit record this time. Talking to a camera here this time recording. So Debbie went to Home Depot and got some trim to go around these mirrors. And listen, I didn't know how, do you know how to measure for those cuts? Like, we just had her do a straight square border because I'm not, yeah, I can't do all these angles. So it's just gonna be plain basic around the mirror, but we're gonna hold it up and see what it's gonna look like. Regardless, it's gonna be pretty no matter what. I thought you knew. Thought you knew. Okay, the short ones. Okay, so since it's tapered this way and it's gonna go over the mirror a little bit, so yours is gonna go, I think that's gonna be cute.
I like that.
It's fine, so we can take these out because this is gonna hold that up. Sure. Yep. Positive. Positive. Just, you might wanna hang it, like kinda hold it so we can get this on it. Hey, Deborah, is your real name Deborah? We're back. With a Twizzler in her mouth. Okay. You dash in the mark that one? Why did I put on the opener on you? Because it came in a container. That's what I want to know.
I don't know.
Okay, which is the long ones? Alright, just gonna hang over 2 inches on each side. Now Heather's car's broke down. They better not ever take another vacation.
They decided to stay.
Oh my gosh, you guys are never taking another vacation. Kind of play with it and see where it's gonna be. You know what I mean? Put that on your side. Which is glue. It's not, we're gonna have some give, but once it gets where it needs to get, we're gonna tape it. Hold it. Okay. Let's do this. Ready? Ready? Or let me get some glue on the back of it and then we'll stick it up here. Your side, yeah, your side looks like it's out more than mine. Here, let's put some glue on it and then we'll.
Okay.
We ain't gonna do no good up here like that. We gotta take it off, glue it, then we can level it.
I can see you in the mirror, you know that, right?
I didn't do that, Josh. Look at the camera, it's recording. You'll see it, I'll replay it back.
Started out just like a lovely story. You were mine and we were really happy. Came around when I was pretty lonely. Glad you found someone that I could be with. Never ever really crossed my mind that you were just hanging around. Never ever really crossed my mind that this would end up upside down.
Somebody comment, let me know. How do you use the dang caulk gun? Yeah, when you opened it, like it would look like flake board, But when you flip it around, it's really nice and finished on that side. But Debbie said they seen the comment and they came in here and flipped it around. I was like, well, that's cool. It's one cool thing about doing, you know, a day-by-day project. Instead of waiting until it's all done, they can sort of give you.
You and me cheated for a long time. You had me fooled and there were no signs. And you're still
Pretty. Let's just leave the green. Okay. Feeling good. Yeah, gotcha. Just another side piece. Between Loctite and this liquid mess.
my time, and I live my life with you. Should have known that you'd never make it through. Stole my time, and I live my life with you. Should have known that you'd lose. It was all a robbery. It was all.
Could be her fault. Oh my gosh. I give up. Or I was like, you have the patience for this. I make it look like I got the patience. Hey. Thank you. Here, hold this. Tell them all about yourself.
I'm old and fat.
Hey, don't tell them your social security number or nothing like that.
Okay.
If y'all need a sticker off your mirror, just call me. That's the same ones.
A robbery. It was all a robbery. Came to be a little fuzzy, honey. I didn't know what you wanted from me. Rather heard it from the beginning that you didn't know what you were feeling. Never ever really crossed my mind that you were just.
I'd say we're 80% done. We're putting the shower doors up now. I've still got to paint and finish the floor. Here's the doorman.
Now.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated.
Usually I end out every video with reading out of my devotional, but this video is a little bit different. It's really short and I've left a lot of parts where we're talking in, so I don't have a whole lot of space to read this to you guys. So I'll be back tomorrow with that, I promise. But I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know that it means so much to me that you're here. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I love you guys so much, and I want you to know that Jesus loves you too, no matter what. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Down, 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 so high, I'm floating, I'm shining.
I think that's pretty.
It's pretty, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
That's wild.
God, that looks good. We didn't do too bad picking this shit up, did we?
I thought she was going to say we putting it in. I was trying to say, no, you offered. He just wouldn't let you.
We're picking it out.
I know, it is nice.
Tell them thanks for
And
that.
so what the back looked like? I didn't even notice it. Was it just rough?
Yeah, it was just a rough, you know.
Oh my gosh, and we didn't even notice
No,
that.
none of us did.
Nope.
So did you?
Your viewers did.
So you just came in here and flipped it around, and you was
Yeah.
like, it was backwards.
Right, it was.
Well, I read it to Jim, and I said, Jim, did you put the shelves in the Madison County backwards? He come in here and looked, and he said, yeah.
I
But
had
if
no
I hadn't
idea.
read that comment, I wouldn't have never known.
I know, it's like I.
Start rolling over, 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown.
Okay, so we're just letting these dry. Got those up with liquid nail. We just made the straight cuts. We didn't do anything fancy. The new toilet, of course, got a mess. This wall almost painted. We've got the shower doors in, and that looks so good like that. I need to finish the floors, just a few pieces. Got to do down through there. The vanity up. Still waiting on this to finish drying so I can sand that out. But yeah, it's looking a lot better.